All right, we're in Phoenix Park here today on a very, very cold day. Perfect to do the first test drive of this van in almost a year. It's the furthest it's been in a long time. It's been, we've been doing a lot of work to it, so this is the first kind of long run we've had on it. So, we're going to take it on a little drive around, and I'll hop aboard now. All right, let's get going. Seatbelt. Off we go. Yeah, the van's driving really well. It's accelerating really well. We put a vacuum advanced distributor into it. It responds more to acceleration rather than mechanical kind of speed of the engine, as opposed to the older one we had, the mechanical advance. The other thing as well that we fixed was the cylinders. Essentially, we were only running on 3 cylinders because of the magnet that had gotten thrown out of the distributor. So now we're back on 3 cylinders again, and the van's driving really well. It's like accelerating. It's accelerating like it's been stung like by a wasp. We got some deer there on the left. People going very close to them, which they probably shouldn't. Those fellas are some serious antlers going on there. Great to kind of stretch its legs, you know. Just think with an old vehicle, like you have to use it, you know, to get it out on the road. Don't be too precious about it, like otherwise, just sits there and kind of deteriorates. You get other problems with it. Oh, big test going up a hill. The day started out pretty snowy this morning, and it is absolutely freezing as well. It's one thing we need to sort out with this van actually is the heating system. We've got some plans to fix that. So. Right, so that was a good drive. Went through the Phoenix Park there. We're just heading back through town, going up Bridgefoot Street here on the Quays. But yeah, I'm very happy to get the van out for a nice long run. It was driving really well. The vacuum advanced distributors made a huge difference, I have to say. Yeah, so once again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again in another video.